this video, I'm going to share with you 5 affiliate marketing tips for the coming year. Are you looking to start affiliate marketing? You're in the right place. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor here to help you grow your influence and income online. A random shout out to 3 of my subscribers. Grow your wealth. Here we roam again. Income stock investing. Thank you guys for your support. And if you want to be in my random shout out on my next video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. So back to this video about 5 tips for affiliate marketing for the next coming year. Tips about training, niching down, finding target audience, choosing your platform, and grabbing affiliate links. I'm gonna give you bonus tips. I'm gonna give you free workshops to get your online marketing training going. And I'm gonna point you to free market and keyword research tools. What's your number 1 challenge when it comes to affiliate marketing right now? Please put it in the comments below. Tip number 1, invest in you. If you ever have to choose between investing in equipment or investing in you, always choose you. And why? Because with the digital marketing training, you're gonna know what you're doing and you're gonna be able to pivot, adapt, overcome, change funnels, change business models, and you're gonna be in the front line of change as the world is turning. If not, you're gonna be left behind. So digital marketing training is tip number 1. And I'm gonna give you free workshops that are linked down below in the description of this video to get you started. Tip number 2 is finding your niche. Ask yourself these questions. What am I passionate about? What is my expertise? And what demand in the market can I serve? A bonus tip for you is to use the free tool on trends.google.com to do market research. Tip number 3 is finding your target audience. Ask yourself, who am I going to serve? What's their problem that I can solve? And a bonus tip is develop your why while you're still small, because it's easier to turn around, change, and adapt if you have a small audience compared to a large one. What do you think? Is your audience, for example, young people moving to their first apartment? What challenges are they facing? How can you serve them and solve their problem? Or maybe parents with toddlers that have absolutely no time to cook. Or maybe your target audience is motorcyclists of a certain motorcycle brand that love cruising around in Europe. Whatever you do, find a specific target audience in that niche and start serving them. What's your biggest aha moment so far in this video? Put a comment down below. Tip number 4, where does this audience hang out online? Because that's where you want to be too. Is it TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube? Find the platform that they're hanging out on and start building your content there. Building your content, building trust, and if you're growing organically, this is going to take a while. If you have a paid marketing strategy and a budget, you can learn how to place ads on this platform and start marketing your content and your affiliate links with a budget. But do remember that influence comes before income. That's a bonus tip as well. No matter if you're growing organically or on a paid strategy, influence comes before income. And learning the art of influence is part of digital marketing training. The first tip that I mentioned. If you're finding value in this video, please smash the like button to share it with more people. Thank you, it's appreciated. Tip number 5, now that you have found your niche and your target audience and the platform that you're gonna go for, the one strategy platform that you're gonna start with, it's time to grab a couple of affiliate links to get started already today. And these affiliate programs need, of course, to be in line with the niche and the audience that you found. I, for example, help you grow your influence and income online on YouTube by creating great videos. So, of course, I'm an affiliate for TubeBuddy, I'm an affiliate for vidIQ and for Canva, and also of course for the mentors, because I know the value of online marketing training. Now I hope you know what to do next in order to start affiliate marketing within the next year and start earning online. If you found value in this video, please smash the like button if you haven't already. Next, watch these 2 videos to get further into affiliate marketing. All the best, good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.